Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Courtney, the Content Development Manager for Classical Conversations Multimedia. I'm also the homeschool mother of 4 children, one of whom I graduated from my homeschool after he completed the Classical Conversations Challenge 4 program. I'm here today to talk to you about an exciting development in Classical Conversations in 2019. But first, a bit of history. At Classical Conversations, we believe that it's important for us as parents to invest in redeeming our own education as we prepare to learn alongside our children. In 2014, we launched a family of services to encourage each other on that journey, known as Cultivating Classical Parents. This year, in 2019, we are expanding the offerings of that family of services, and we're also thinking about these under the umbrella of the name Everyday Educator. Why Everyday Educator? Because that's what we all are. We are all in the trenches each and every day with our kids trying to figure out this thing called classical Christian education, both at home and in community. We have podcasts for those times when you're on the go in the car or maybe working out when you just want to hear some tips from experienced homeschool parents. We have articles for those days when you only have 5 minutes to get one new idea. We have webinars that are hour-long live Q&A sessions once a month where you can come and get your questions answered about particular teaching skills, subjects, or projects to work on with your kids. Finally, we have our CC Connected subscription service where we have tutorials that help you to go in depth with particular subjects like maybe Latin or chemistry or teaching your child grammar or writing. I invite you to join us this year for one of these exciting new offerings. You can find the content on our website at classicalconversationsbooks.com and simply go to the tab called Digital Content. I hope you join us there and get a fresh new insight for your home education. Thanks and happy homeschooling.